Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and of course it's WhatNot Day because the little book is out. And I have put this elastic band around it, elastic closure, because it is getting a little bit fat. Okay, so WhatNots. Today is a little bit different because it is going to be week 26 and it is going to be the final WhatNot. The little book has elastic closure and it's going to sit on the shelf. But first of all, I want to do a little set of WhatNots just to put a little finishing touch to the pages. So I have my little pieces here, and as you know, we did circles, we did squares, we did triangles, and we did rectangles. So let's put page tabs on each chapter of the book using like circle for the circles and squares for the squares, and so on and so forth. So just little easy page tabs that we will attach to the end of each chapter. So that's the last circle, so we'll put the little circle tab there. But let's fancy up the tab quick and easy in the usual WhatNot way. I have now, this of course is little thick, it's scrapbook paper, a scrap, but it is quite thick scrapbook paper, it's not just normal paper. This has been stamped out using this little set with my VersaFine ink. This was just a cheap set that I got somewhere, maybe Hobbycraft, maybe The Works, maybe somewhere like that. So just let's put a little bit of washi as a little frame for the word. So let's just easily put that down there. And we're just going to put our circle word there with some glue stick. There we are. And it's going to go about there, just sticking out a little bit so that we can see. And we want to make it even fancier, nice and quick. We're going to put a little charm on a bulb bin so that when it's sticking out from the page we can see a nice little dangly charm. I'm just going to carefully use my pokey tool, but you could use the small hole on your crocodile, and if you were wanting to be even fancier you could put a little eyelet. I'm not going to, because these are super quick and easy, and that just goes through there like that. And that's us. And we're just going to attach that onto there like that. So how cute is that? I hope you can, it's hard to show how that's going to look, but that's just going to dangle out like that. And then we know that that's where our circles are up to. And of course you could decorate the back as well. I'm not going to today, I just want to give you the idea. I'm not sure how many people have made a WhatNot book, or whether they've just been using their WhatNots just as and when. So I never told you, it's a 2-inch square punch that I use for the circles, and I just cut 2 inches and I've rounded the corners using a corner rounder punch because I didn't want jaggy corners sticking out. So same again, we're going to keep them all the same. And that saves me making another decision about what washi to use and what colour to make them. Make them all the same, you don't have to decide. Right, squares. There we are, and this one is going to go here. And again, carefully, mind your finger. And this time we've got a little bow. Mix them up a bit. There we are. I could probably trim a little bit off that, but I'm just going to leave it so that it's got plenty glue on the piece that's to be stuck. Just going to reach for a little napkin. I was a little zealous with the glue there. There we are. Oh. So let's see, triangles. And triangles are here. There weren't many triangles, I don't think. No, that's a rectangle. So this is the last triangle page here. So they're at slightly different heights, which is good. And we will put our triangle one maybe a little lower. Okay, we'll have to figure out how far out we can come, about halfway. The triangle's going to be a little bit tricky. We'll put it on as best we can. So don't be sad that the WhatNots are done, because I do have the next idea. Just mulling over it a little bit. I'm not, can't promise that it will be quite as weekly or quite as regular. Will that go under that butterfly a little bit? Yeah, I think we'll put our little dangle here this time. Yes, the WhatNots were tried my hardest and I succeeded every week to do one in time for Sunday afternoon. But I'm not going to promise this time, but there will be a quick and easy video which will take the place of the WhatNots. I think you'll enjoy. Well, I hope so. Okay. I'll put that one on this side. The other ones I've put on the other side, but there's a thing maybe a little bit further up. There's a rectangle on the other side that I don't want to put it on top of. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, I think I went, did I go all to the side there? And last one, rectangles. I think you've got the gist by now. I've got the rectangle one ready because I was having a bit of a practice and a play. before. Let's see. Oh, I'm liking them. Now, do we want rectangles back up high? I think we do. Right, that'll be fine. So even if you haven't put your WhatNots in a special book, and you've got them like just using them as and when, this is still an idea for your journal, just to put different tabs and put a little dangly on them and stamp out the different chapters. That sticks out quite a bit. I think because that's a longer page, yeah, that's fine. Oh, that's quite nice, isn't it? It's quite okay. So that's it. I hope you can see how that looks. I think you probably can with all the little dangly bits. And that's a nice reminder, and it'll sit on my shelf. And when I'm stuck for ideas for a little corner page, I can look through and go, oh, that's right. I remember that now. I can do that for my corner. Yeah, happy with that. Okay, so let's put this back on, see how it looks. I hope it doesn't bend that one too much. Ooh. I think I'm maybe just going to be, yeah, I'm going to be okay just in the middle there. Just put it a little bit lower. That's fine. Yeah, they're okay. Good. Let's put the triangle one a wee bit further in. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, well, that's the WhatNots done. It's been absolutely fantastic. 26 weeks. I would never have guessed at the beginning that it would have lasted so long. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.